See, why 70 powers? Because I am working on various agamas and giving you that initiation and sciences. This time the agama I picked up, Sivajnana Upanishad, speaks about 70 powers. That is why I am talking all the 70, 70, 70, that number. All the initiations described in Sivajnana Upanishad I am going to give you. This time in Suddhadvaitam process 21 days, all the initiations Mahadeva describes, Sadashiva describes in Sivajnana Upanishad, I am going to transmit it to you. I am going to initiate all of you. That is why 70 powers. These are various powers, like you will be able to see anything. You will be able to hear anything. You will be able to taste anything. You will be able to feel anything. Like these various powers. Your words will just become reality. You know how to manifest your life. These are the various powers and various spiritual experiences and expressions. You will be initiated into all this experientially. Please understand. Third eye is like a one circuit getting awakened. For example, when you are sexually aroused, how much you are alive in your root center, even 10% if you are alive on your Sahasrara, the crown center, all your non-mechanical parts of the brain will be awakened. But you know, being active and alive only in root center, you never experience that kind of activation, activism on your crown center, head. Even third eye awakening is only 2% if I have to compare. How much you are active and alive in your root center, if I equate that into 100 unit, to initiate your third eye, it takes 1 unit. To keep it alive, it takes 1 unit. Only 2 unit energy, 2 unit of activism is awakened on your third eye for you to do blindfold reading or third eye reading. It's only 2%. But actually, if your root chakra is active, the base chakra is active 100 unit, your brain is capable of becoming active 400%, 400 unit. Your brain can withstand 400 unit of activism. Then understand the powers you can manifest. Here in Shuddhadvaita, at least 100% I am going to make your brain active, your crown center active. The moment that crown center, Kundalini, is active, 100%, multiple powers start manifesting. Please understand, third eye awakening is only 2 unit, 2%. 1% for initiation, 1% for keeping it alive, open permanently. That's all. Now, I'm just going to spiritually electrocute all your crown centers and do the short circuit from Muladhara to Sahasrara directly. Because if it goes through your spine, there is so much of obstacle, patterns, obstacle, incompletions and all that. Just short circuit it. And spiritually electrocute. Awaken the Sahasrara to the same intensity and activism, then automatically at least 70 powers will start manifesting.